We have found a stranded vessel at sea. We're turning around to go get them. Stay tuned. All right. So we have slowed almost to a stop now. We're getting almost side to side from them. There we have pretty much a decent representation of how they are from us. I'm gonna zoom back in. See if we can see how many people are on the boat.
Eagle eyes, let's see.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
6 or 7.
Yep.
Plus anybody that's down there.
I'm seeing everybody waving. They're waving a. Oh, they're waving a reflector. Yep, they're waving a reflector for our attention. Yeah, they're not. Yeah, they're waving because they want us to. Yeah, see that one on the back's waving the flag like thing, like to like say, hey, come get us.
So now they gotta do whatever they gotta do to shift that way.
Yeah, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yeah.
All right, we can definitely get. We're pretty close now. So you can see all the pretty good amount of people there on the ship.
I thought it was like 20.
Trying to get you to where you can see who they're trying to talk to. But we've activated our thrusters and we're moving into them very slowly. This is how close we are to the ship to them. As you can see there, we're a lot closer than we were, so we're working on it. So we have, honestly, as you can see, we have made contact.
I mean, that is true.
So they are tying on to our boat, or our ship. The one time we don't have portside balcony.
How old the whole of that boat is, though.
Oh, yeah.
They're coming off.
All right, we are bringing them on board, as you can see. Yeah, I'm just seeing, looks like all men though. It's not?
There's a few women that
Oh, was it?
first.
Okay.
The first few people that came in were women.
Okay. 21. So yeah, 21 people on the on that boat. Did not really. I guess the ones that we thought were children were just the ones that were sitting down and just couldn't stand up or something.
All
adults? All adults. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Yeah. So now they'll cut that boat free, let it go out into the ocean. No, they're going to let it go. It'll go out into the ocean.
There it goes. Yep, there it goes. The boat's been hit free. Come back. The boat said, take me with you.
All right, we'll stay on this until they bring the stairs in, leaving the boat in the water. There they go. They're collapsing the stairs now. And they're bringing it up. So the good thing is the ship has brought them on board. They set their boat back to sink out in the ocean, and it will sink without people on it. So that's good. Or who knows, this boat may eventually end up on a shore somewhere, and people can reuse it. There you have it. That's a regular view of what is happening without being zoomed in as they bring in the stairs. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then if you want, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.